Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. In part A1, the only horizontal force causing the circular motion is the spring force, so the force arrow at each time should point radially inward. The rod, because the spring is stretched more at t equals t sub 2 than at t equals t sub 1, and d sub 2 is greater than d sub 1, hooks. For figure 2 than for figure 1. For part A2, the reasoning is that the spring force depends on the amount of stretch. A greater stretch produces a greater restoring force. D sub 2 is greater than D sub 1. The force exerted by the spring at t equals t sub 1 is greater than at t equals t sub 1. Great job working through that. Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.